A very beautiful morning to everyone. So, today we are going to continue our topic models, and we are going to talk about mainly two models. Those are must and should. So, let's start with the model must. It can be used to talk about certainty. What do you mean by certainty? Certainty means when we are definite about something, sure about something. Okay, that is something you are almost sure is true. Moreover, it can be used to talk about obligation, prohibition, necessity, or strong recommendation. So, what do you mean by obligation, prohibition? Obligation means duty. What we have to serve, what we have to do. That is very important, right? Prohibition means which we are not supposed to do. Okay, which we have to prohibit. We have to not to do anything. Necessity means which is very important that we have to do, and strong recommendation means strong advice which is very important and one has to follow. So let's see how to use must in all these different moods. Look at the first one. She must be sick. She never gets late to school. This is, we are talking about the probability over here. Probability means कि वी आर मेकिंग अ प्रिडिक्शन कि हाँ कि वो ज़रूर सिक होगी तभी वो स्कूल नहीं आई. दिस इज़ द प्रोबेबिलिटी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. वी आर यूजिंग मस्ट इन अ सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ नेसेसिटी. नेसेसिटी मीन्स विच इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, जो जिसके बिना विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, विच हैज़ टू बी डन. देयर इज़ नो अदर ऑप्शन. Students must pass an entrance examinations to study at this school. Means this is compulsory and you can't leave it. कि अगर एंट्रेंस टेस्ट या एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम पास नहीं करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स तो वो स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ सकते. मीन्स देर इज़ नो अदर ऑप्शन. यू मस्ट हैव टू पास दिस एंट्रेंस. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड नेसेसिटी. Next one is strong recommendation. You must drink a lot of water to protect your voice. Here, recommendation means advice which is emphasized, which has been given great importance. Correct? Next one is Sarah. You must always do your homework. This is obligation. This is the duty we are talking about. कि सराह को ज़रूर अपना होमवर्क करना होगा. This is very important. So in all these cases, in all these kinds of moods, we have to use must. Now let's see the next one, that is should. Should and must. Sometimes we get confused that whether we have to use should or we have to use must. So let's see where do we use should. This model is more commonly used to give recommendations or advices. It can also be used to talk about obligation as well as expectation. Let's see how to do it. You should be writing. Means this is an advice. You can see the child and he is not interested to write. So you should be writing. This is the advice is given to that child. Okay. So let's see the examples given over here. When you have many classes, you should take a bottle of water with you. This is recommendation. When we use must, it becomes a strong recommendation. This is the difference between the two. Should, when we are talking about recommendation कि आप ऐसा करना चाहिए आपको, you are giving the suggestion, right? अगर आप उसी को ही strong recommendation कर देते हैं तो you have to use must with it. Okay. Instead of should, in that case we have to use must for strong recommendation. Next one is advice. You should focus more on your assignment. This is the advice given again, and here should is used for advice and suggestion. Next one is regular employees should work 8 hours a day. This sentence shows that the regular employees have a duty to work 8 hours a day. and in that case also we can use should. But whenever we are talking about a strong recommendation, strong advice, and we are talking about obligation which is very very important, in those cases we use must. When we are just giving an advice or recommendation, that is, in those cases we use should, right? So today we have talked about the two models, the use of should and must. After this, we will be doing a number of worksheets to understand them in a better way. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.